phosphorylation. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation. What is a non-cyclic photophosphorylation? बहुत सिंपल है. It involves both PS2 and PS1. उधर क्या था? Only PS1 था. इधर PS2 and PS1. It involves both PS2 and PS1. PS2 is photosystem 2, also called as P680. और PS1 क्या है? Photosystem 1. Photosystem 1 और P700. PS2 क्या करता है? Initially take light energy. वो क्या करता है? It absorb light energy from sun. After absorbing light energy, it undergoes photoexcitation. Same points जैसा उसमें था. It undergoes photoexcitation. It converts this light energy into chemical energy in the form of energy-rich electron. ये लाइट एनर्जी केमिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है एंड उसका फॉर्म क्या है? एनर्जी रिच इलेक्ट्रॉन. नाउ इसके बाद क्या होगा? तो इलेक्ट्रॉन पासेस थ्रू द चेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कैरियर्स. यहाँ पे अलग रहेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन कैरियर्स. इट इज क्यू का मतलब क्या होता है? प्लास्टोक्विनोन रिड्यूसिंग सब्सटेंस. मैं इधर लिखता हूँ क्यू का मीनिंग. इट इज प्लास्टोक्विनोन reducing substance. ठीक है. क्यू का मतलब है प्लास्टोक्विनोन रिड्यूसिंग सब्सटेंस. उसके बाद हो जाएगा प्लास्टोक्विनोन में. प्लास्टोक्विनोन क्या बोल रहे हैं? Non-cyclic photophosphorylation involves both PS2 and PS1. PS2 absorbs light energy of 680 nanometer wavelength. It converts light energy into chemical energy in the form of energy-rich electron. Why? Because it undergoes photoexcitation. This electron-rich energy-rich electron goes through the chain of electron carriers, and they are प्लास्टोक्विनोन-reducing substance, प्लास्टोक्विनोन, साइटोक्रोम B6 नाम तो सुना होगा. Then cytochrome F, and then प्लास्टोसाइनिन. फिर बाद में क्या आएगा? प्लास्टोसाइनिन से वो वापस PS1 में जाता है. अब PS1 भी इलेक्ट्रॉन का क्या करेगा? एनर्जी को री एनर्जाइज करेगा, क्योंकि एनर्जी कम हो जाता है ना, तो इसका एनर्जी बढ़ाएगा. एनर्जी बढ़ाने के बाद ये इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है ये किधर जाएगा? Z में. Z का मतलब लास्ट टाइम बताया था, फेरोडॉक्सिन रिड्यूसिंग सब्सटेंस. व्हाट इज Z स्टैंड्स फॉर? फेरोडॉक्सिन रिड्यूसिंग सब्सटेंस. Z स्टैंड फॉर व्हाट? फेरोडॉक्सिन रिड्यूसिंग सब्सटेंस. लिखा है मैंने वापस. सो क्या होता है? Z, that is ferredoxin reducing substance, वहां से it will go to what? Ferredoxin. Ferredoxin से वापस किधर जाएगा? Into NADP. There are two molecule of NADP. एक NADP कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन रहता है? 2. The 2 NADP will take 4 electron or forms NADP minus ion. Now after taking, now at the same time त्याच वेळी photolysis of water takes place. क्या होता है? Photolysis of water. Photolysis of water. What do you mean by the word photolysis of water? The word photo मतलब light. Lysis म्हणजे breakdown. Light, because of light the water is broken down. Because of light the water is broken down. 4 water molecule splits up into 4 H plus and 4 OH minus. H plus react with NADP to form NADPH2. एक NADP 2 हाइड्रोजन लेता है तो 2 NADP, 4 हाइड्रोजन यूज हो गया। अभी क्या है इसमें, इट हैज गॉट 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन and 4 OH. The OH will form 2 water and 1 oxygen, and electron will go to pH2. अब pH2 को इसका खुद का इलेक्ट्रॉन मिला क्या? नहीं, उसका इलेक्ट्रॉन तो NADPH2 बनाने में खत्म हो गया। उसको इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलता है from photolysis of water. Since it do not get its own electron back, it is called as non-cyclic photophosphorylation. इसको इसका खुद का इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं मिलता, इसके लिए इसको बोलते हैं नॉन साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन। So what is the non-cyclic photophosphorylation? It involves both pH2. pH2 absorb light energy of 680 nanometer wavelength. Okay, 1 second all of you.
So a non-cyclic photophosphorylation, starting से बता रहा हूँ, non-cyclic photophosphorylation involves both photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. Photosystem 2 absorbs light energy of 680 nanometer wavelength. It undergoes photoexcitation, convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of energy electron. The electron passes chain of electron carriers. It passes chain of electron carriers. They are plastoquinone reducing substance, plastoquinone, cytochrome B6, cytochrome F, and plastoquinone. समझ में? Electron passes through the chain of electron carriers. They are plastoquinone reducing substance, plastoquinone, cytochrome B6, cytochrome F, and plastoquinone. At each step during the transfer of electron, हर एक step पे जब electron transfer होता है, the energy of the electron goes on reducing. पहले भी ऐसे ही हुआ था ना? The energy of the electron goes on reducing. Finally, the re-energized electron goes to PS. एक और step during the transfer of electron from cytochrome B6 to cytochrome, one ATP molecule is formed. One ATP molecule. समझ में आया? क्या लिखने का नॉन साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन का मैंने स्टार्टिंग का पार्ट ही बताया। इट इन्वॉल्व PS1, PS2 and PS1 both. PS2 absorbs light energy of 680 nanometer wavelength, undergoes photoexcitation, converts into chemical energy in the form of energy-rich electron. The electron passes through the chain of electron carriers. They are plastoquinone reducing substance, plastoquinone, cytochrome B6, cytochrome. At each step during the transfer electron, the energy of the electron goes on reducing. Finally, the de-energized electron goes to PS1. Any question with this? During the transfer of electron from B6 to cytoplasm, one ATP is formed, one ATP is synthesized. Second, the PS1 re-energizes the electron के energy, जो energy कम हो गया था, उसके energy वापस बढ़ाते हैं. तो re-energizes the electron energy. The electron again passes through paradoxine reducing substance, then paradoxine, and then NADP. Now, once it becomes ion charged, it is called as ionization. It becomes ionized to form NADP minus minus ion. Naturally, at the same time, simultaneously, photolysis of water is also taking place. Photolysis of water, what happens during photolysis of water? 4 water molecule splits or divide or dissociate to form 4H plus and H minus ion. The 4H plus and the NADP minus minus ion react together to form NADPH2 molecule. Okay. Now the 4OH minus. Now minus of the electron, extra electron. 4OH minus, it will reduce really 4 electron. The electron goes back to PS. Since PS do not get its own electron, उसका खुद का electron नहीं मिलता है. It gets electron from photolysis of water. It is called as non-cyclic. क्योंकि वो repeat नहीं हुआ cycle. So non-cyclic photophosphorylation. फिर क्या लिखने का था? OH will form 2 water molecule and 1 oxygen molecule. Oxygen is a case ना, तो arrow up. I hope you understand. एक बार फिर से explain करूँ once more. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation involves both PS2 and PS1. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation involves both PS2 and PS1. PS2 absorbs light energy of 680 nanometers. equivalent. It undergoes photoexcitation, convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of energy electron. The electron is the chain of electron carriers, and they are plastic non-reducing substance, plastic and at each step during the transfer of electron, the energy of the electron goes on reducing, and finally the de-energized electron. Okay. Now PS1 de-energized now during the transfer of electron from cytoplasm to cytoplasm 183 is formed. Okay. Now we calculate the PS1 re-energizes the energy of the electrons. The energy re-energizes and electron goes to hydroxyl reducing substance, then peroxide, and then NADP. NADP becomes NADP minus minus ion, आयोनाइजेशन होता है. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एनायन. एनायन बोलेंगे ना यार, नेगेटिव चार्ज है. फिर बाद में क्या बोलते हैं? Photolysis of water also taking place where 4 water dissociate to 4 H plus and 4 OH minus. The H plus, okay, and the OH minus, H plus and the NADP minus react to form NADPH2 molecule. The OH minus will give 4 electron to PS2. PS2 do not get its own electron back. Okay, it is called as non-cyclic. The remaining OH will form H2O and oxygen. Any question with this? Reply, let me know.
Dark reaction. Dark reaction, you have studied two things. Dark reaction में एक C3 pathway and C4 pathway. C3 pathway is also called as Kelvin cycle or Kelvin-Benson cycle. Okay, it was introduced by Melvin Kelvin. Melvin Kelvin was a scientist. Now it takes place in few steps. First step is called as carboxylation. First step is called as carboxylation. Second step is called as reduction. Second step is reduction. Third step is third A, synthesis. And then third B, regeneration. Okay, so this is about the C3 pathway. This is about the C3 pathway. Okay. Now, next part, we are going to study actual the C3 pathway. In the stroma, you have studied chloroplast, structure of chloroplast. There is a grana and there is a stroma. The stroma contains enzymes for respiration. It contains circular DNA for duplication of chloroplast, and it contains ribosomes for protein synthesis. So that stroma mein the dark reaction takes place. So many enzymes are present. So RUBP, there is a molecule called as RUBP. RUBP. It is 1,5-ribulose biphosphate. 1,5-ribulose biphosphate. RUBP. Uses in presence of, it uses carbon dioxide or in presence of carbon dioxide. Okay. So RUBP is a 5-carbon molecule. 5 carbon wala molecule hai. It takes carbon dioxide. Okay. How many? 6 molecule. कितना? 6 molecule. तो ये भी 6 carbon dioxide. 1 RUBP will take 1 carbon dioxide. So 6 RUBP will take 6 carbon dioxide. In presence of an enzyme called as RUBP carboxylase. RUBP carboxylase. क्या लिखने का? RUBP, ribulose biphosphate, react with carbon dioxide. RUBP react with carbon dioxide. 1 second. RUBP react with carbon dioxide in presence of RUBP carboxylase enzyme and form an unstable 6-carbon compound. क्या? An unstable 6-carbon compound. Now this unstable 6-carbon compound, again in presence of enzyme Rubisco. Rubisco is the same RUBP carboxylase. Huh? It is the same that. It is that same RUBP carboxylase. In presence of Rubisco, enzyme Rubisco. क्या? Rubisco. Rubisco, it forms the first stable compound called as phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid is a 3 carbon compound. ठीक है, it is a 3 carbon compound. इसमें 3 कार्बन है, तो नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल कितना हो जाएगा? 12 मॉलिक्यूल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज 6 6 36 नंबर ऑफ कार्बन होता है, तो यहाँ पे 3 कार्बन है, तो 12 3 36 कार्बन होना चाहिए. That is balancing part of the equation. So it is a 3 carbon molecule. What this is called as carboxylation. This is called as carboxylation. So what is carboxylation? I repeat, addition of carbon dioxide. What is carboxylation? Addition of carbon dioxide. RUBP uses carbon dioxide in presence of RUBP carboxylase enzyme. RUBP uses carbon dioxide in presence of RUBP carboxylase enzyme to form an unstable 6 carbon compound. The unstable 6 carbon compound in presence of Rubisco, the same enzyme, forms the first stable compound called phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid, okay, is the first stable compound made up of how many carbon? 3 carbon. Hence, this is called as C3 pathway. Why it is called as C3 pathway? Because the first stable compound is of 3 carbon. So I repeat, RUBP uses carbon dioxide in presence of RUBP carboxylase to form an unstable 6 carbon compound. See, this is unstable, so it will have to be converted into something else. So it uses Rubisco to form phosphoglyceric acid. The first stable compound is a phosphoglyceric acid, hence 3 carbon, hence it is called as C3 pathway. Now second reaction is called as reduction. Now phosphoglyceric acid क्या करता है? It uses ATP. It uses what? ATP. Now how many molecules are there? 12. तो हर एक को एक ATP लगेगा phosphoglyceric acid को. So there are 12 phosphoglyceric acid, 12 ATP यूज होगा और 12 ATP बनेगा. Phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. जो phosphoglyceric acid है वो किस पे कन्वर्ट हो गया? 1,3-डाइफॉस्फो. बिकॉज ATP ADP बन गया, तो एक फॉस्फोरस इसमें ऐड किया है, तो फर्स्ट कार्बन एंड थर्ड कार्बन, फर्स्ट कार्बन एंड थर्ड कार्बन को फॉस्फोरस अटैच है, तो 1,3-डाइफॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड. ठीक है, सो 1,3-डाइफॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड. नाउ आगे जाके क्या बनाएगा? इट इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म एल्डिहाइड एंड वी कॉल इट एज फॉस्फोग्लिसरल्डिहाइड. Call it as phosphoglyceraldehyde. Phosphoglyceraldehyde. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? 12 NADH2 जो है 12 NADPH2, ओके, वो यूज हो जाता है और 12 NADP बनाता है, क्योंकि हर जगह पे there are 12 molecule ना, there are 12 molecule. There are 12 molecule. This is 3 carbon. And यहाँ पे 12 inorganic phosphate release होता है. And this process is called as reduction. We call it as reduction. ठीक है? So what is the reduction? Reduction simple है. Acid on reduction forms aldehyde. Acid on reduction form aldehyde. Phosphoglyceric acid uses ATP to form 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid uses NADPH2 to form phosphoglyceraldehyde. इतना याद रखने का. तो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वाज कार्बोक्सिलेशन. उसमें क्या लिखने का? RUBP uses carbon dioxide in presence of RUBP carboxylase forms an unstable 6 carbon compound. The unstable 6 carbon compound in presence of Rubisco forms phosphoglyceric acid. The first stable compound is of 3 carbon, hence it is called as C3 pathway. Now phosphoglyceric ये हो गया तुम्हारा carboxylation. Second reaction reduction. Phosphoglyceric acid uses ATP to form 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid uses ATP to form 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. So 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid uses NADPH2 to form phosphoglyceraldehyde. Okay, 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid uses NADPH2 to form phosphoglyceraldehyde. ठीक है, during this process what happens, this is called as reduction reaction. Okay, now phosphoglyceraldehyde कितने मॉलिक्यूल है? 12 मॉलिक्यूल. उसका 2 मॉलिक्यूल टेक पार्ट इन सिंथेसिस एंड 10 मॉलिक्यूल टेक पार्ट इन रीजनरेशन. आगे और दो रिएक्शन है ना, सिंथेसिस एंड रीजनरेशन. चलो सिंथेसिस में 2 मॉलिक्यूल मतलब क्या? 1/6 है ना. 2 मॉलिक्यूल मतलब क्या? 1/6. 12 का 1/6 कितना होता है? 12 into 1/6 है ना. तो 2 मॉलिक्यूल इज 1/6 ऑफ द टोटल. तो 1/6 पार्ट टेक पार्ट इन द सिंथेसिस. तो इसमें क्या होता है, 2 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड जो है, फॉस्फोग्लिसरिक एसिड ने एल्डिहाइड प्लस फॉस्फोग्लिसरल्डिहाइड, दो हो गया ना. 2 मॉलिक्यूल मतलब देयर आर 2 फॉस्फोग्लिसरल्डिहाइड. उसमें से 1 फॉस्फोग्लिसरल्डिहाइड इज कन्वर्ट टू DHAP, डाइहाइड्रोक्सी एसीटोन फॉस्फेट. इसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाता है DHAP. तो वो क्या है DHAP? इट इज द PGAL का एक क्या है, एक आइसोमर है. यू नो व्हाट इज आइसोमर? सो PGAL इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू DHAP. अ मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ DHAP, इसमें कितना कार्बन है? 3 कार्बन. और इसमें कितना कार्बन है? 3 कार्बन. दे रिएक्ट टुगेदर फॉर्म्स फ्रक्टोज 1,6 डाइफॉस्फेट. क्यों? 6 कार्बन वाला बन जाएगा. और दो, वाई 6 कार्बन? 3 कार्बन प्लस 3 कार्बन 6 कार्बन. इसमें एक फॉस्फोरस है, इसमें एक फॉस्फोरस, तो फ्रक्टोज 1,6 डाइफॉस्फेट बनता है. तो क्या लिखने का, 1/6 पार्ट में क्या बनता है? फॉस्फोग्लिसरल्डिहाइड प्लस DHAP बनता है. दे रिएक्ट टुगेदर टू फॉर्म व्हाट? क्या बनाते हैं वो? फ्रक्टोज 1,6 डाइफॉस्फेट. क्या? फ्रक्टोज 1,6 डाइफॉस्फेट. नाउ फ्रक्टोज 1,6 डाइफॉस्फेट क्या करेगा? इट विल लूज एक फॉस्फोरस लूज करेगा और बनेगा ओनली फ्रक्टोज 6 फॉस्फेट. नाउ फ्रक्टोज 6 फॉस्फेट क्या करेगा? इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू इट्स आइसोमर जिसका नाम है ग्लूकोज. ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रक्टोज आर आइसोमर. वो बनेगा ग्लूकोज 6 फॉस्फेट. ग्लूकोज 6 फॉस्फेट जो है, इट लूजेस एन इनऑर्गेनिक फॉस्फोरस, ओके, टू फॉर्म ग्लूकोज. फोटोसिंथेसिस में क्या बनता है? ग्लूकोज ही तो बनता है. तो दिस रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज द सिंथेसिस सिंथेसिस रिएक्शन. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? सिंथेसिस. तो लेट मी रिपीट सिंथेसिस. Phosphoglyceraldehyde, 1/6 part of the phosphoglyceraldehyde, that is 2 molecule PGAL plus PGAL. A molecule of phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted to DHAP. They react together to form fructose 1,6 diphosphate. फ्रक्टोज 1,6 डाइफॉस्फेट, एक फॉस्फोरस को निकाल दिया तो डाइफॉस्फेट से खाली सिंगल फॉस्फेट फ्रक्टोज 6 फॉस्फेट हो गया. अब वो क्या हो जाएगा? ग्लूकोज 6 फॉस्फेट. वो फॉस्फोरस को निकाल के ग्लूकोज बन जाएगा. नाउ अभी कितना? 1,6 इधर है तो बचा क्या? 10 मॉलिक्यूल. हाउ मच इज 10? 10 कितना होता है? 12 into 5/6 है ना, इज इक्वल टू 10 होता है ना. 6 1 जा 6 2 जा 2 5 जा 10. तो 5/6. तो 5/6 part take part in 5/6 part take part in 5/6 part take part in regeneration. Phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted into RUMP by forming intermediate substance like एरिथ्रोज. एक एरिथ्रोज बनेगा, फिर बनेगा सीडोहेप्टुलोज, फिर बनाएगा RUMP. RUMP से बनेगा RUPP. बट RUMP से RUPP बनाने के लिए उसको क्या चाहिए? क्या चाहिए उसको? ATP चाहिए. It needs an ATP. ATP is converted to ADP. This is 4 carbon, this is 7 carbon, and this is 5 carbon. ठीक है, this is 6 molecule. तो ये भी 6 ATP 6 ADP बने. ठीक है, तो क्या लिखने का? This is called as a regeneration. We call it as regeneration. To continue the Calvin cycle. क्या लिखने का? Regeneration 3B. 5/6 part of phosphoglyceraldehyde take part in regeneration. 10 molecule of phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted to RUMP. 10 molecule जो है वो RUMP में convert होएगा by forming intermediate substances like erythrose and cigarettes. RUMP uses ATP to form RUBP to continue Kelvin cycle. ये पूरा Kelvin cycle. So I am repeating the whole thing. अगर इसमें कुछ doubt है तो मुझे definitely पूछो. I will again help you. Don't worry. C3 pathway. C3 pathway is also called as Kelvin cycle. C3 pathway is also called as Kelvin cycle. It was introduced by Melvin Kelvin. It is also called as Kelvin-Benson cycle. This now mechanism steps. RUBP uses carbon dioxide in presence of RUBP carboxylase to form unstable 6-carbon compound. The unstable 6-carbon compound uses Rubisco to form phosphoglyceric acid. Okay, this is called as carboxylation. First reaction. समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
Second देखो, reduction. Phosphoglyceric acid uses ATP to form 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid uses ATP to form 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid. 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid uses NADPH2 to form phosphoglyceraldehyde. 1,3-diphosphoglyceric acid uses NADPH2 to form phosphoglyceraldehyde. This is called as reduction. Reduction समझा सबको?
Yes, sir.
Now phosphoglyceraldehyde, total 12 molecule is there. How many? 12 molecules. Out of 12 molecule, 2 molecule take part in synthesis and 10 molecule take part in regeneration. 2 molecule is nothing but 1/6 part. So that is 2 molecule phosphoglyceraldehyde. One phosphoglyceraldehyde is going to convert into its isomer dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Now dihydroxyacetone phosphate uses with phosphoglyceraldehyde to form fructose 1,6-diphosphate. देखो DHAP का full form इधर लिखता हूँ. DHAP. Phosphoglyceraldehyde is PGAL. इधर लिखा है shortcut में. It is dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So DHAP and PGL react together to form fructose 1,6-diphosphate, which is a 6-carbon वाला molecule. 3 carbon and 3 carbon. एक phosphorus निकल गया, it become fructose 6-phosphate हो गया. फिर वो isomer में convert हो गया glucose 6-phosphate. अगर phosphorus निकाल के glucose बन गया. Total 6 carbon वाले molecules हैं. Hexose sugar. Any doubt with synthesis?
No, sir.
Okay, understand now. Now next part देखो, the last step, that is regeneration. 5/6 part, that is total 10 molecule take part in regeneration. ठीक है, सीधा लिखने का, phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted into RUMP. Phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted into RUMP. Phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted to RUMP by forming intermediate substances. By forming intermediate substances. And what are they? Erythrose and pseudohaptulose. They are like erythrose and pseudohaptulose. Erythrose and pseudohaptulose. Okay. Now RUMP uses ATP to form RUMP to continue the Kelvin cycle. Regeneration completed. कुछ doubt है?
No, sir.
So
Sir,
बोलो.
can you repeat the last part?
Yes. You want me to repeat the regeneration?
Yes, sir.
So 5/6 part of the phosphoglyceraldehyde, PGAL, 5/6 part, that is total 10 molecule, take part in the regeneration. Okay, so phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted into RUMP. You will be writing that phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted into RUMP, that is ribulose monophosphate. ये biphosphate है, ये monophosphate है. Phosphoglyceraldehyde is converted to RUMP by forming intermediate substances, in between substances like erythrose and pseudohaptulose. Now RUMP uses ATP to form RUBP to continue the Kelvin cycle. Now understood, beta?
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Your homework is Ultrastructure of chloroplast. Ultrastructure of chloroplast. Second, cyclic photophosphorylation. Third, non-cyclic photophosphorylation. And fourth, C3 pathway. ये सब का, ये तीनों का ओनली द चार्ट जो मैंने ड्रॉ किया था बोर्ड पे इनटू 3 टाइम्स. इसका अल्ट्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट ओनली डायग्राम मतलब लेबल, नाम लिखने का उसका 3 टाइम्स नाम लिखने का लेबलिंग डायग्राम गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. तुम्हारे जो टेक्स्ट बुक का है वो, एंड यू हैव टू सबमिट इट बिफोर फ्राइडे, दिस कमिंग फ्राइडे के पहले. ओके, जो लोग हैं उन्हीं को मैं लूंगा, अदरवाइज मैं उसको लेक्चर से निकाल दूं. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर से. सो होमवर्क करके आना बच्चे लोग. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड.
Yes, sir.
ओके.